Michael Manuel, Front Royal, Virginia, with the 2015 Peterbilt and 2017 Mack trailer, built for autism. We built the truck all for our daughter and all autistic children. As you can see, the grill's cut out of all stainless steel puzzle pieces for the recognition of autism, for the awareness. The front bumper, it's ghosted puzzle pieces into the front bumper. All the straps, the air tank straps, the breather straps, that's all engraved with puzzle pieces in it. And we come on back and go to the inside. The floor is done out of puzzle pieces, the pedals, over 2,000 painted puzzle pieces cut and welded on the truck. The truck's a 2015 glider kit from Fitzgerald Glider Kits. We purchased the truck in October 2015 and started the project to unveil it the 1st of April for Autism Awareness. We named the project one of many because not only our daughter, but all children are one of many with the autism. The fuel tanks. The fuel tanks are real unique on the back of the truck. We went in, welded a puzzle in, has floating puzzle pieces inside of the fuel tanks. We're able to put air off the truck onto the fuel tanks for the puzzle pieces to bubble. All the truck is double lit blue for the color of autism and amber to be legal. All the T-bars, which was done by 4 state trucks, have the engraved puzzle pieces in them. The fenders are 3-dimensional, airbrushed with puzzle pieces blown out to as part of the puzzle of missing the piece out of the puzzle. We'd like to say thanks to everyone that helped with the project, which you guys can see all the sponsors that really helped to make this happen on the trailer. These guys were real great with helping for the awareness of autism. Michael Manuel, Front Royal, Virginia. Project one of many. We built the truck for the awareness to all families and all organizations for the awareness of autism that really needs to be recognized.
Scotter Hot Sauce. It's more than a hot sauce. It's a lifestyle.